Please hurry! Let's go!
Sama, move faster. You're too slow.
Okay, sir.
What did you say happened to him?
He collapsed.
I warned him, but he wouldn't listen. I told him to take a day off, but he refused and he must go to work.
Ma'am, please, relax. Jane just called that the doctor is doing everything possible to make sure he's stable.
My bag, I need to get to the hospital right away.
You can't go there, please.
What do you mean I can't go there?
The doctor strictly instructed that your presence will worsen the situation. Please, ma'am.
I don't understand. What does that even mean?
Everything is under control.
If only Chekwas was here. Can you call Chekwasi? Just call him. Just call him.
Just relax. Let's go to the hospital first. Get there.
I just don't know why this is happening now. No, I don't know why this is happening now. Why now? I'm just coming back from America. Why now? Why today?
You need to calm down.
Someone faster now, faster.
I have to go to the hospital. I don't understand.
You can't go there. We've been through this.
What do you mean I can't? My husband is lying there in the hospital. I don't even know if he's still alive. I have a feeling the doctor is lying to me. He's not telling me the truth.
You know what? Let me quickly call Jane to find out what is going on over there.
I don't know why people are stopping me. Am I not supposed to be at the hospital with my husband?
Let me quickly call Jane to know what is going on over there. I'll be back shortly. Please relax, ma'am. Please.
I don't even understand. I need to relax. I don't... How am I even supposed to relax? Stella!
Jane, what's going on over there?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
They're working on it. The doctor said they're working on it.
Working on what? How is Chief?
Their power source went off.
What? They took him to another hospital.
They just moved him to emergency ward now.
Without light? How can they work?
Please, please, please. Who are you people? Where are you taking his body to?
It's okay. You've done your best. Let Chief rest.
Excuse me?
No, you should excuse us. You played your part. We will take it from here. We need to take him to where he belongs, to Mother Earth. He belongs to us. And everything he owned, he got it from Earth. And to Earth must all return. That should be explanatory enough. Let's go.
I've never seen this kind of thing in my life. Same here. Same here, my dear. I've never in my whole life seen this kind of miserable things. Taking a bit of your This is very serious. Doctor, what is going on? Who are those men? Where are they taking his body to?
They took his body. They took my phone. I need to make a call.
Okay. You can use my own. Use my own.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, of course. Oh, they gave you my phone?
Yes, they gave me for the left.
Thank you. Go back to the case. Are you the doctor?
Yes, I'm the doctor.
Where's my father?
Please, I must apologize.
Look, I need confess. In my 20 years experience as a medical professional, I've never had such an experience like I just had a moment ago. What are you talking about? Where's my father? Look, in my 20-year career, I've seen patients die in my hands. But Chief Okenwa... Wait, is my father dead? Huh? That is not the problem. So what is the problem? Can you talk to me? I was called and told that my father is ill, and he was brought here. Now I'm here. What are you saying? Where is he?
Please calm down. Can we go to my office?
Which one is calm down? Talk to me, for God's sake. I'm not a child. I'm an adult. What's going on? Is my father dead?
Yes, please. Your father is dead. He died 30 minutes ago. Please, take it easy. Please. It's okay, please calm down. Like I said, let's go to my office and have a little talk, please.
It's all right. Can I see his body?
That's where the problem is. You see, immediately your father took his last breath, strange things began to happen. The generator went off, and some strange men walked in here. They whisked your father's corpse out. They took it away.
What are you saying? What men?
I've never met them from Adam. Strange men, mysterious men.
They came into your hospital and took my father's body.
Yes.
Like my father's body was abducted?
Yes, sort of.
Right before you?
I couldn't do it. It was sudden. They even took my phone. I'm just recovering it now. It was a strange experience.
So you couldn't get the police involved?
Good day.
Fetch Monica.
Okay. She's indisposed. She can't come out.
Tell her to come and pay the last respect to her late husband.
Oh my goodness. Chief is dead. Chief is gone.
Well, it was so fast. These men are mysterious men. They threatened to kill me.
How did you know they are mysterious? What are you talking about, my friend? Where's my father? Huh? I said, where's my father? If you say he's dead, let me see his body. What nonsense are you telling me? That people came in here and took my father's body? Huh? Right in your presence. You didn't call the police. You didn't stop them here. You didn't lock up this place. You didn't call your security.
Please,
Where's my father?
please, it happened so fast.
Where is my father? Please. If I ask you again, I will redesign your face with this. 1.
Please, please.
2. Don't move. Do not move. Stay there. Hello? Yeah. Right now? You mean they're there now? All right, I'm coming. I'm coming right away. I'm coming.
Please, Jay. Keep watch over.
She's broken. She can't come out. Who are you, please?
Identity means nothing to you. We have come to do that which we are obligated to do.
Where are they?
You're coming from the hospital. I should be asking you that.
I heard father's body was taken. Where are the people?
They were here.
Who?
The men.
What men? I'm asking you now.
The men who took him.
So who are they?
How am I supposed to know?
Mother, I'm asking you. How can you sit down here and be so comfortable and people will take father's body? You're not doing anything about it. What's going on?
How can you stand there and blame me over what I don't know? For over 5 years, I've been begging you to return home.
Return home and do what? Run your family for you? So what is supposed to be your duty to my father as a wife?
And what is supposed to be your duty as a son to your parents? Tell me!
Mother, Mother, please, this is not the time for this conversation. The both of you shouldn't be doing this, please.
Excuse me. I'm trying to have a healthy discussion with my mother and you're cutting in. Who the hell are you? Who is she?
What do you call a healthy discussion? You stand there and blame your mother for what she knows nothing about, and you call this healthy discussion.
Mother,
what is healthy about this?
You still haven't answered my question. Who is she? Who is she?
She's your father's secretary. She has been staying with us since your father's illness became very serious.
Uh-huh.
As a matter of fact, she's your wife.
What the heck?
Excuse me. She's what?
Your wife.
My wife?
Yes. As a matter of fact, the bride price has been paid by your father.
Bride price paid by my father?
Yes, Chekwas.
Do I look like I'm 16 to you people? What nonsense? For God's sake, I never told you I'm looking for a wife. That's my fiance. All right? Her name is Julie, and I came back from America with her. Sweetheart, just make yourself comfortable. I'll see you guys. Marcus.
CK. It's almost good to see you.
Good to see you, bro.
Please forgive me. I couldn't pick you up at the airport like I earlier promised. I had too much on my plate.
It's all right.
Well, look at you, man. You look great. How was your trip?
Look, I have bigger problems to worry about.
Problems?
Yes, huge problems.
What are you talking about?
I can't find my father's corpse. I heard some men came to the hospital and took him.
Look, CK, that's one of the reasons I'm here. I think you have to come with me.
You know where the corpse is?
Not exactly, but you have to come with me.
Come on, man. If you know something, talk to me. Tell me.
Look, CK, you'll get answers to all you seek. I believe you will. Just come with me. As a matter of fact, we have to leave now. Trust me. Yeah.
Now listen carefully. Foremost, I am disappointed that Okenwa did not do his job in letting you know what you should know. But now that I have your attention, this is what it is. He was one of us, and that's why we took him. His body is not going to be buried till 7 days, and his corpse will be here for that period. We do not go to mortuary, neither do we throw parties. We just lay our own to rest. His spirit is still hovering around here because he has a message for you. Pay attention and be ready to do his biddings. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready for what? Ready for what? Bullshit. I should be the one asking you if you're ready to handle the volcano that is about to erupt here if you don't give me my father's corpse right now.
Now you listen. You have 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes to be initiated into the dome of the Mother Earth. Else, calamity will befall you and your entire family.
You have 7 seconds. Can you hear me? You have 7 seconds to give me my father's corpse right now. 7 seconds, or you cannot handle what I'm going to do here now. 7. What am I hanging with you? Okay, help me. Help me, let's take my father. Help me. Okay, take me. I said help me, let me take my father. Are you crazy? Huh? I said, no, nonsense. You keep my father's corpse here and you're telling me bullshit. No, help me, let me carry my father's corpse on me. Help me, do not tell me this bullshit. No. What am I saying? I'm not a coward for God's sake. Allow me to talk to God. Let me give my father's body. What are you telling me? No, leave me alone. Let me give you my father's body. What rubbish? Who are they? Huh? Who the fuck are they? How can you hold my father's body? You're telling me I can't do anything. Fuck you. Listen to me. You can't do this. Huh? You can't. And this is all your fault, my friend. It's all your fault. How could you?
Siki, I had no choice.
What do you mean you had no choice? Everybody has a choice. You had a choice, for God's sake. Everybody has a choice.
You don't understand. You don't understand the people you're fighting with.
Who the fuck are they? I'm asking you, who are they?
Siki, these people killed my son.
Listen to me, my son.
Father, look, there's nothing to listen to. Look, you're not dying now. You're not leaving us now. And even if you are, I'm not getting into any ridiculous cult. Hell no.
Bring your voice down.
Then you have to stop talking about death and some confrontality.
There are things I need to tell you so that even when I know more, you need to know them.
Oh, Father, stop disturbing yourself. Look, stop straining your little strength. You heard what the doctor said. All you need right now is some, good rest. That's all you need, and that's what's more important. And let's leave this talk about becoming a member of some cult group and all of that. I'm not interested.
Still good, but take this from me. Take this.
What am I supposed to do with this?
And get me water to drink.
It's alright. I'll go get it, please. Just. Father, I got you the water. Father. I got you the water. Look. No. Doctor.
Who is that? Who are you people?
What are you doing in my house?
Point of correction. Our house. It's been 7 months, 7 weeks, 7 days since your father died. Everything he had, including you, belongs to us. Didn't he tell you that? Your obligation is to join the confraternity of the Mother Earth. She will be initiated tonight into the confraternity. When the time comes, someone will pick you up.
You killed my father. And now you stand before me asking me to join your stupid cult. Listen to me. I will do no such thing. I am not my father. I want you to get out of my house now.
You have 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes to make your decision known. As calamity will befall you and your entire family.
Get out.
Who are these men? And what do they want from us?
Listen, baby, I have something to tell you. Look, my father belonged to a secret cult.
What? Secret cult?
Yes, and before he died, he asked me to join them as his replacement. But I refused. Yes, I refused. I never knew it was this serious until now.
Jesus. Jesus Christ. Honey, what are we going to do? Are you going to join them?
Hell no. I mean, I can't do such a thing. Whatever covenant they had died with him. It has nothing to do with me. That's it.
Honey, those men looked very dangerous. I was so scared.
Well, I don't have a business with them. Yes, I have no business with them. I'm not scared of anybody. I'm not scared of them. Who is here?
Those cop men.
Open the door.
No, I will not open this door.
Stay inside. What are you doing in my house?
Your time is running out. You have 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 7 seconds to join the confraternity of the Mother Earth.
Now you listen to me. I am not interested in your stupid court. I am not. The next time I see the both of you near me, I will have you locked up. Now get out of my house.
The Commissioner of Police is also looking forward to your initiation.
He is a very good friend of your late father. Remember, at the expiration of 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 7 seconds, if you do not pledge your allegiance to the confraternity of Mother Earth, calamity will befall you and your entire household, starting with that handsome boy over there.
Listen to me. I don't care what you do or what you say. But this is my family. That is my son. If you as much lay a finger on any of them, calamity will befall you and the entire member of your court group. Now, get out.
Remember, your time is ticking.
Honey, did you hear what they said? They said they are starting from my son. Wait, I don't want anything to happen to my son. Nothing should happen to my son.
Nothing will happen to him. Okay? Baby, listen, I've told you, calm down. These people are just bluffing. They can't do nothing.
No, it didn't look like they were bluffing, honey. They sounded so real.
Listen, what do you expect me to do now?
You should call the police.
The police?
Yes.
Didn't you hear that? That the Commissioner of Police is looking forward to meeting you. What does that tell you? He's also one of them. So you see, it's needless calling the police.
Honey, I will not lose my son to those evil men. I will not.
You're hungry. Okay, don't worry. Let me just get something for you, okay?
Jesus. Junior. Junior. What is it now? Hey! Baby! Baby! Junior.
What happened?
No.
What do you mean you don't?
He said he needed to eat, so I was rushing to get his food. Yeah. He shouted, I came back and I met him like this.
His body is gone.
Let's take him to the hospital.
It's too late. I told you calamity will befall you and your entire family.
You killed my son.
Out of my magnanimity, I'll give you a fresh start. Starting from 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes to reconsider joining us as a more severe calamity will befall on you.
You cannot fight them. They are too powerful.
And why do you think I can fight them? Who cares how powerful they are? I am more powerful than everybody inside that place. Nobody tells me what to do. I am not you. Can you hear me? I am Chokube Okenwa. Nobody tells me what to do. I will fight them my own way. Bullshit.
And what are you doing?
Calling the commissioner of police. I'll get them all arrested and get my father's body.
The only reason you didn't see him there is because he went to Abuja on an official assignment.
What do you mean?
He's one of us, CK. Listen. You cannot fight these people, brother. They are too powerful. The only call you need to make right now is to call the DPO and ask him to release everyone that you put in their custody because of this issue. They have nothing to do with this. You cannot fight them. Join them.
Calm down. Calm down. Don't be selfish. Wait, am I being selfish? I mean, my boss just died. He was a good man. He was very good to me. I should at least mourn him. Pay him his last respect. Right? Yes. Every other thing can wait.
Welcome home, my son.
I am not your son. What happened to my father?
We just heard that.
You just heard. My father was sick. Didn't you know?
You know your father kept so much to himself. He hardly related with us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What happened? Now my father is dead. I guess he called you from the land of the dead and told you to come check up on him.
Calm down. Calm down, my son.
I said it before, I am not your son. I am not your son. You should be done here. You have the information you need. My father is dead. You should be happy. Time for you to leave.
Okenwa was my blood brother. It is my legal and traditional duty to cater for his well-being. And now that he is dead, I should make sure he gets a good rest.
How do you intend to do that?
That is something we have to sit down, put heads together, and talk about.
I will not put heads together with you. Neither will I sit with you. This meeting is over. Leave my house. You heard me. I said leave my house.
Monica, are you not saying anything?
Are you asking us, your kinsmen, to?
Are you deaf? I said leave my house. If I say it again, I will get violent. Leave my house. Now. Get out.
Jacob, I called you to know how far with the burial arrangements. And to also know...
Shouldn't that be a family discussion?
I see no stranger here.
Really? Really?
Stella has become a full member of this family. She is your wife. Her bride price has been paid.
Mother, what is wrong with you? Huh? What is wrong with you? I made it very clear. She cannot be my wife. I have somebody I want to marry. She's seated right here. I came back from America with her. What is going on? What's wrong? Huh? You think I'm still the little Jacobi of yesterday? Why are you not listening to me? I have a wife. This lady can't be my wife.
Can you two excuse us, please?
So I can leave.
Okay.
Jacob, you are making a very big mistake. Your father chose Stella. I personally raised her, groomed her into a very good woman. We didn't know you were going to come back with this lady.
Isn't it obvious you made the mistake?
Don't forget that action is life. It's ritual. It's the case of action. If you do, we go die. If you not do, we go die one day. Cause always pass away like glass.
Still feels like a dream. I can't believe that Chief is dead.
It's been a long dream. It even got worse after the son arrested us.
Who happens to be your husband?
Tell me about it.
How are you holding up?
I don't know. I feel lost. I feel confused.
I feel confused too. The workers have not come to terms that Chief is dead.
I know. I think you should dismiss all the workers. Once the burial is over, we'll resume work.
That's a very wise decision.
We go die, if you not do, we go die one day. We go die, we go die one day. We go die, we go die one day. We go die, we go die one day. We go die.
Tell me, when are you coming to the other side?
Marcus, you've known me for many years. I don't do things because people want me to do them. I do what I want to do, how I want to do it. It won't happen. I'll be part of it.
Brother, believe me, you will lose everything. And I mean everything.
his house, my father's company, the cars, every investment. I mean, every single investment he had made. And if you think of going back to the States, they will seize your passport. And I mean that. They will seize your passport. See, these people are too powerful.
Marcus, I've been away for a very long time, I know. But I still believe in the adage. Onyekwe, Chiekwe. I'm not part of them. Whatever they had with my father, they had with my father. It has nothing to do with me.
CK, they made your father who he was. I mean, everything he had would go down with him. And that includes you.
And that's where we draw the line. When you start talking for me, you've said what you know, you've said what you believe in. Allow me to do me, right? Let me take care of myself. At the same time, I appreciate your concern, but I'll do me.
All right. Let's go.
Good day, Mama. Good day.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How was work today?
Oh, I didn't do much. I told the workers to take a few days off.
Why? I'm asking you a question. I said, why? Don't walk out. No, mother, please, let me handle this. You can see she's walking out on me. I asked her a question. Why would you send the workers away?
What do you want from me?
What do you mean, what do I want from you? How can you discharge the workers? Why? Why would you do that? In my father's company? My company? Why?
Well, your employer just passed away. It's only the right thing to do. Stay at home for a few days and mourn him.
Excuse me, where did you go to school? Where did you learn that? The head of a company dies, you tell the workers to go away. What happens to work? If deals come in, if contracts come in, who handles them? How do you handle things that way? It's wrong, for God's sake.
Sir, do you even care about your father at all?
Excuse me?
If he does, he would have been home. And maybe my darling husband will still be alive.
Oh, no, mother. No, don't do that, please. No, I say no. For God's sake, am I supposed to stay at home and take care of your husband? It's your duty, you're his wife. That's how it's done. If I was around, I'll be taking care of my family, not yours. What are you telling me? Blame that is supposed to come to you. Allow that blame to come to you. It's your blame, not mine. And you don't tell workers to go away. In my company, my father's company, the company does not belong to you. It doesn't make sense.
Well, I am the boss they know and are answerable to. Maybe when you take over, you can run the company how you want it. For now, on the orders of your late father, who happens to be my father-in-law, I am in charge. Excuse me.
Where did you get this person from?
You see, in his youthfulness and all these foreign ideas, he might not be able to understand these things. That is why you have to sit him down and talk to him as a loving mother would do to her beloved son. I took my time to come and explain this to you because of my relationship with your late husband and the position he had in the confraternity. It baffles me that you never knew of your husband's membership in the gathering of men. It's a pity. So pitiful. Talk to your son. We do not reap where we did not sow. And we will never allow anyone to reap from off our sweat. That is what your son is trying to do, and we will never allow that. His body must not be buried. His assets and everything he ever earned must be returned to us. You know, that includes you and your son. We reserve the exclusive right to overlook anything and to give anything we like to anyone we deem deserving. This is not an issue for the public. Okay, one let us down, but his good works suffice to let him rest peacefully. I know you don't want to live in this world alone because we will have no use of you. No husband, no son.
What are you saying? Do not get your evil self close to my son.
Play your part and everyone will be happy thereafter.
Listen to me. Let's get this clear. My father is dead. Simply means that whatever you had with him is also dead. If I see you in this house again, I'll arrest you, I'll expose you. Is that clear?
Why not wait to see your father's will before assuming ownership of this place? Get my message from your mother. I don't have too much time.
Just keep going. Don't stop outside there. Keep going. Leave my compound. Leave. What am I even saying? Why am I letting you? Hey, come back. Don't go to the gate. You will not leave this premises except you provide my father's corpse. What rubbish? I came to your, whatever you call your governor, what nonsense, whatever you built over there. I told you calmly, give me my father's corpse. You didn't really. You will not live here. You are not leaving my house except you. Well, I'm talking to you, my friend. Are you mad? Are you mad? I'm talking to you in my compound. Who are you? You will not leave this compound except you provide my father's corpse. I'm waiting. Japheth.
I do not have too much time.
What's happening?
The more you keep giving me the impression that you barely know the man you married for over 40 years, the more I wonder what kind of couple you guys were.
The kind of husband and wife whose only son tore apart.
Oh, shamefully I get the blame for everything. That's bullshit.
I have not seen your father's lawyer in a very long time. Your father never told me anything about any will. This is your cross. Carry it dutifully. What else do I need from life? From anybody? I have given up on everything, everybody. So get on it. Let's say my name is included in the will. Of what use will that be? Of course, everything will still belong to you. to be dutiful. That man says we belong to them. As long as we have been enjoying your father's wealth, in as much as the wealth is for your father, it's from them. And that is an end to all. So tell me, what am I supposed to be bothered about?
I need to see my father's lawyer.
Yeah, I'll need the duplicate copies. Yes. Definitely, the complaint. Yeah.
Well, sorry,
We'll get that to you. Mr. Chekube, nice to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you. I went to your office. I didn't see you.
Yeah, I was told. I've been busy going from one court to another trying to sanitize this country. I'm sorry for that.
It's all right. Listen.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I'll go straight to the point. You said you're very busy man.
Yeah.
I need access to my father's will.
Well, I'm afraid that won't be possible.
Why?
Before your father died, he gave strict instruction that the will can only be read after the burial. And I hope to keep to that instruction.
I see. Well, I understand. I'm a learned man. I know how these things work. But I'm actually his first son. His only son, actually. And I believe, when it comes to me, things can be changed, I have my reason for wanting to see the will.
Well, like I said, the will can only be read after the burial. Your father trusted me very much, so it would be a gross betrayal of trust if I go contrary to what he told me. Mr. Chekube, I am sorry, I have to take my leave now. I have a case to defend in the court. Once again, nice meeting you. I'll see you on after the burial.
This is unacceptable. It has never happened here, and we must not allow it to happen. We guide and protect our own jealously. We work hard for our own, because whatever we give returns to us in due time. Okenwa must not be buried until we recover from his family everything he owns that belongs to us, unless his son pledges his allegiance to the Mother Earth. And when this whole madness stops, we all will gather here for sacred life-taking oath to Mother Earth. And if that stubborn fool refuses to pledge his allegiance, you go and get that old witch he calls his mother. Marcus, stay behind. What are you doing with him? Driving around everywhere with him, eating and dining and doing all sorts of things with him.
I have spoken to him times without number. I have tabled before him the consequences of his disobedience. Chikwas is a stubborn dude.
I will tame him. I will cut his wings. He will go on his knee begging for his life.
This is Chief's office.
I'm wondering. You've shown me a lot. Shown me around. I've seen so much. You seem to know everything, man. Everything about how things work around here. And you're only a secretary. Does it mean my father never had a general manager?
Well, my job description involves all of that. I was closer to your father when he was alive. He had so much confidence in me. He never trusted most of his workers, but he trusted me.
If my father trusted you that much, like you claim, how come he never told me about you? Hello? Hello? Ask the question. My father never told me about you. How come?
I don't know. I don't know why he never mentioned anything about me to you.
Were you sleeping with my father?
What?
You heard me. Were you screwing the old man?
How could you think of such a thing? No!
Really? Did my father tell you about his will? Did he?
No, he did not. He entrusted everything about his will to his lawyer.
Why am I having this feeling that you're being cagey?
It's because you hate me. You don't trust anything that I do. What am I supposed to do? Your father was wrong.
Wrong? How do you mean?
He told me I would make a good wife to you, that we will both build his business together. He trusted me so much.
I see. I've actually studied you. I've listened to you. You're educated. You're brilliant. You're exposed. How could you accept this primitive game of matchmaking?
To your father, it wasn't a game. He trusted me so much, like I said earlier. He wanted us to be together because of his business. But I guess his intent is now clashing with yours. And that's where the problem is.
Exactly. It doesn't make sense to me. I mean, she's beautiful, she's smart, intelligent, has a lot of wonderful qualities. It shouldn't be a problem for her to get any man she wants. Why would someone like that agree to this matchmaking thing in the 21st century? It tells me one thing. She's interested in my father's wealth. That's it.
I suggest you give her some time. Yes, you never know. She can be of help in due time.
No, I don't think so. I don't think she can be of help to me. When I've asked her about my father's will, she said she knows nothing about it. She only knows the things she wants to know, right? Things that she's okay with. She doesn't know things I need her to know, so she can't be of help to me.
Exactly my point. Look, you have to make her comfortable. This is the more reason you have to make her feel relaxed. Trust me, you'll get more useful information from her when she's relaxed. Play cool, my friend. Play cool.
Honey, what's going on?
What is it?
I have been calling you, and you're not taking your calls.
I was driving. What is the matter?
Check your phone. I have called you over 10 times.
Well, that's very unnecessary. I mean, why would you call me that number of times? For goodness sake, 1 or twice would have been fine. If it was convenient for me to take the calls as when you called me, I would have taken it. What is the matter? What is it?
Well, they were here.
What do you mean they were here? Who was here?
They think he's derailing and might take you along with them. Marcus, you're going to incur the wrath again.
Why would they come to my house? I mean, why would they come to my house? They could have just called me. What?
They would have called you when you were not taking your calls. Marcus, if anything happens, I will not forgive you. I will not.
I'll be glad if you can handle me.
Marcus, what is it?
Father, ever since I pledged my unreserved allegiance to this great confraternity, I have never defaulted. I have upheld my duties and my position as a member of this confraternity. Jacob is my friend, and I am trying hard to ensure that he joins us and become a member. But my wife is fragile. I remember what we went through before I decided to become a member of this great brotherhood. She's beginning to panic. Please. I do not want you sending my brothers to my house to terrorize her. I will do everything within my power to ensure that I bring Chikube in. But please, let's leave my wife out of this. This is my humble request.
Do you think you will be able to convince him to join the confraternity?
He has no choice. I never wanted to join the confraternity. But when you came at me with your full force, I was left with no option. I am definite that when we unleash the dragon on him, he will be left with no choice than to become a member. But for now, please, let's leave my wife out of this. I do not trust him. Father, I don't trust him.
What's the problem now?
Are you okay?
I'm trying to make something light for lunch. But you don't look okay to me. I should be asking you. What's wrong?
It's just about Chikube. I am not happy things are not working out between you two.
Ma, please don't worry yourself. You told me to handle things as a woman. I'm trying my best.
You're a perfect woman. A perfect woman for my Chikube. A woman whose husband will be proud to make her a business partner.
It's not your fault that he has refused to see these attributes in me. You've done your part. Everything will be fine.
I'm not feeling good about all this. At all.
Ma, cheer up. What will be, will be. Okay?
You deserve better, my daughter.
Mama, thank you.
You deserve better.
For everything that you've done. I'm grateful.
Wait, can you just wait? Hasn't gotten to this. I know you've been uncomfortable since we got back, but I'll take care of this, right? I acknowledge it's not the life I promised you when we're coming back, but I'll fix it. All right, I'll fix it. If you leave me right now, I'll be so confused. I won't know what to do. All right, I'll take care of this, okay? I promise. I will take care of it. I know it's uncomfortable for you, but I'll fix it. I love you.
I love you too.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Please, I'll take care of it, okay? I'll fix it. You have nothing to worry about. I'll handle it. Everything will be fine, okay? Take your stuff. Listen, I've had enough. Can you hear me? I have had enough. She's leaving this house today.
She goes nowhere.
She is leaving my house today.
Not leaving. She is your wife. She stays. Your father paid her dowry.
Then marry her now. Marry her. A woman can marry a woman these days. Marry her. I've had enough. 3 days. Can you hear me? 3 days, pack your things and leave my house. Else you will see a side of me you've never seen. Leave.
Chikube.
What?
I have been quiet for you for a very long time. I have been keeping quiet for you for a very long time now.
And what do you want to do?
I have been tolerating all your insults and excesses because of your late father.
Okay, beat me.
I never forced anyone to pay bride price on my head. Lots of suitors have been coming from my hand in marriage. I rejected all of them because of you.
Call them back. Tell them you're available now.
I'm a very patient person. But just so you know, everyone has an elastic limit.
Leave my house. That's my point. Leave my house. Apart from burying my father and getting married to my fiancée, I don't have any other plan.
You know what I'm talking about, Sige. Listen, these people have been way too patient. And you have no idea what they will do if you don't comply. Think about your mother. Think about that beautiful woman who loves you. You will lose everything.
I will not lose anything. That's the problem you have, man. You keep measuring your life with mine. Shouldn't be. Run your race, bro. Our destinies are different. Live your life. Allow me to live mine. Besides, man, what are you still doing with those people? Huh? You lost your father to them. You lost your son. You lost everything. What are you doing? You keep walking around making people believe that you're happy, but deep down, deep in here, you're sad. You're a broken man. There you go. That's the problem you have, man. You keep measuring your life with mine. Shouldn't be. Run your race, bro. Our destinies are different. Live your life. Allow me to live mine. Besides, man, what are you still doing with those people? Huh? You lost your father to them. You lost your son. You lost everything. What are you doing? You keep walking around making people believe that you're happy, but deep down, deep in here, you're sad. You're a broken man.
He's right. I've lost myself totally. I have.
Like it may be strong, it may be fearful, but don't forget this life that you're living is not your own.
What is wrong with you people now? Can't you see you're blocking my gate? Take out this thing, let me enter my compound. Ha. I'll jam you. I'll use my car and hit you. I will jam you. Take this nonsense out, let me enter my compound.
This is to remind you that this is the property of the confraternity of the Mother Earth. We owe this place.
Like you have been mandated, if you fail to pledge allegiance to the confraternity of the Mother Earth, at the expiration of 7 days, 7 hours, you will be sent to coma.
How could you do this to me? How could you join these people? How could you? Mother, I'm disappointed.
Son, I have waited for you for too long. Now listen. I belong here, and here I have returned to rest and give you all the powers to continue from where I stopped. Before my burial, you will come here to be initiated into the sacred dome of Mother Earth. They will give you all the powers, the money, and the influence to control men and nations. It all starts and ends here.
I don't know what you're talking about, Father. What I owe you is a burial. I need to commit you to Mother Earth. I will never join these people. I don't know who they are.
Secretly, what about you doing here?
Bro, you need to help me. Help me, let's move my father from here. Please. Help me, let me give him a burial. That's the best thing I can do for him right now. Help me. Help me, please. I can't carry him alone. Help me.
You know that is not possible. I can help you.
Julian, it's not possible. Come on now. You've been my friend for many years. I don't even know how you joined these evil people. That's by the way, it's actually your business. Just help me. Let me move my father from here. Oh, like a brother. Help me. I cannot carry my father alone. Help me, please.
You are stubborn as your father. One thing you must know, it is a stubborn fly that goes to the grave with a house. The stubborn grasshopper ends in the belly of the egg. Break it.
Let me.
7 days. 7 hours. 7 minutes.
leaving this house. Jump it! Carry this back, throw it away. Stop that nonsense. I can see you've lost it. Did they crazy? Throw my things out. Are you mad? Lost what? Do you know how long I've waited for checkwas? Are you mad? Come, I be worried girl. I know they like nonsense. Man, I'm not sure you favor for this place. Did they crazy? Make I just warn you. Let me just sound you a warning. America, no, I know you can 1 year in America. Mother, shut up. Now let my I could beat you here now. Did they crazy? What the shit they don't get mad? What the shit they get mad? When I've been worried. I know well, oh. I know well. What is that here? No, what? I mean, what? You said what you push is back, stop this! Stop this! Stop! Stop the shit, the man! Stop the man! Stop the man! Stop!
I am so disappointed at both of you. What you did out there was disgraceful. You have suddenly lost respect for me. My husband is still lying out there in the cold. Stella, Julian, both of you should calm down. When my husband is buried, we can all sit down and sort all this out.
Mommy, I'm a peaceful woman. I know we've not gotten along with each other, considering the present circumstances we met when we arrived. I love Chekube, and he loves me. I'm not seeing us stopping anytime soon because we have come a long way. I am your future daughter-in-law. And I did not also ask Chekube not to accept you. What did you do when you found out that we were married? When you found out that my bride price had been paid, what did you do? You bundled yourself into the house, forced yourself into him because you want one where you did not work for. What was I supposed to do? No, tell me, what was I supposed to do? Run away and leave my husband? Throw away 2 years of relationship just because you allowed yourself to be matchmade into his life? Bitch, what did you just say? You don't talk back at me, don't dare! You have no idea what I've been through. You have no idea how I have been working for this family. All you do is sit your ass in the US and spend Chekube's money. Don't talk to me that way. Don't! For the sake of clarity, Stella, I am Juliana Somto Uchendo, a graduate of MIT, a software developer who has been recognized by police. Software what? Software my fault. Bullshit. I am not interested. Nonsense. I just want to clear you that I am not one of your gold-digging parasites. Excuse you. What did you just call me? Did you just call me a gold digger? Mother, did you just call me a gold digger?
Both of you shut up and sit down. What is all this nonsense? Sit down! My husband has not been buried. And that is what we're faced with right now. Stella, Chekube has made his choice. Can we respect that and move on?
Mother, did you actually just say this? Really?
And what are you waiting for? Live with her.
Don't forget that action.
Good day, Mommy. Mommy, I know you're angry about what happened. That was wrong. I shouldn't have fought back.
I'm a very peaceful woman. Before I could agree to come home with Chekube, I already had a picture of you. Because he told me a lot of positive things about you.
Are you sure Chekube told you positive things about me? Or you're saying it to impress me? Because we don't agree on anything. You're already aware of it.
I'm aware. But, Mommy, I know you two don't get along. But I'm assuring you, he loves you very much. Because he has said a lot of good things about you. I'm sure he's just stressed. And his father's body being held. Mommy, believe me, when everything settles, you will understand how much he loves you. And I'm very sorry for what happened. That was definitely not me. And I promise you this will never repeat again. Please.
I've heard you. Like I said, when the burial is over, everything will be sorted out. Okay?
Okay. I'll see you later, Mom. Mommy, can you keep a secret?
It depends on the secret.
What I'm about to tell you now, Chekube is not aware of it.
Okay.
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant?
So you can run. So you can run.
How can you pull a gun on me? Eh? Hey! How can you want to bury my brother without letting the kinsman know?
Of course I can do
That
it.
is an abomination.
He was my father. It's no abomination. I will do it. He was my father.
Have tradition.
I can do
We
it.
have tradition.
I can do it and nothing will happen.
You cannot do it. That will never happen.
Want to stop me?
It will never happen.
I will bury you with my father. Stay there. Stay there. Bury you in this compound.
Not come here. Don't kill him.
Marcus, any problem?
You once told me that you never force a member to stay. That people are allowed to leave whenever they wish.
Yes. And I told you his case.
I want out. I want to quit. Please, set me free and don't harm me.
I need to remind you.
I've been there. Please, set me free.
I cannot set you free.
But why?
There is no replacement for you. Your son is dead. Your son is no more.
And all thanks to you.
You may go.
Father, the D-Day is fast approaching, and the stubborn fly has not pledged his allegiance to the Brotherhood. I guess it is because of the position his father held when he was alive. But I think it is high time you taught him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry.
I gave him 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes. There is a time to show mercy, a time to judge, and a time to kill. At the expiration of the 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes, the whirlwind of calamity will befall him and his entire family. If only he knew what is about to befall him, he would yield to my advice. Stubbornness is often a sign of insecurity and a way to hold on to a very fragile equilibrium. Strong men know when to compromise when necessary. But stubborn people are always fearful of change, which explains the rigidity that characterizes much of their behavior. Chikube, you are a stubborn fly. Remember what I told you about the stubborn fly that goes to the grave with the calves. You have less than 24 hours to join the confraternity. I am not going to repeat this again. This is the last time you will see me here. Good night.
I've thought about this over and over. I'm ready to quit. I told him already, but he's not ready to let me go. Because there's no one to replace me.
So what are you going to do?
Sika, I am tired. I am tired of living in bondage. I am tired of living the life of others. I am tired of pretending to be fine when I know deep down in the inside I am not happy. These people killed my father. They took my son. I lost myself since my son passed. So has my wife. But I also look forward to the day that I will have my revenge. Yes, I will.
And how are you going to do that? I mean, how do I get my father's corpse? That's my concern. I've done everything I can, all to no avail. So, what next?
It is true they are very connected and highly influential. But I know what we must do to neutralize their power. Yes.
And what's that? Marcus, hold on. What's going on, man? Huh? We've been walking for hours now, yet we've not gotten there. What's happening? Are you trying to set me up?
What are you talking about? Set you up? Come on, you know I can't do a thing like that. Listen, CK, I am putting a lot on the line just to set us free. Huh? We're almost there. All we need right now is to keep going. Come on, let's go.
Child of the Mother Earth, why have you come to my shrine? Why do you know who you were that you not return alive? You are an enemy, and every member of the Mother Earth is an enemy. Why have you come to my shrine?
I am not your enemy. Because I have done nothing to you. Father is your enemy. And now he has become my enemy. I have come to help you crumble your enemy and bring him to his feet.
Your friend has a strong spirit. No wonder Theophilus find it difficult to handle him.
He has his father's corpse. I have decided to quit the Mother Earth confraternity. He has refused to let me go. And he has refused to release his father's corpse. What must we do to destroy the Mother Earth fraternity?
You will bring 3 sacred rings from the members of the Mother Earth, including his father's. And I will bury it for 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 7 seconds, after which I will exhume the grave. Whatever comes out from the grave I will destroy. Then the Mother Earth will be neutralized. There is no time.
Let's go see.
Don't forget.
Look. I have checked your father's corpse. I've checked everything. The ring is not there. I have reasons to believe that ring should be in the house.
No, it's not. I've checked everywhere. I checked my father's room. I didn't see the ring.
What do you mean you didn't see the ring? Look, go back in and check. I mean, those places you haven't checked before. Just go in. I'm sure it's here.
I dedicate all my winnings to you. Yeah, that is why each time I win any case, the first person I'll call is always you. To give you the good news.
I love you so much, baby.
I love you too.
Are you expecting anyone?
No. I don't really entertain the visitors during the weekend.
So, who could that be then? Okay, just hold on. Let me find out. Yeah, we'll check.
Hello.
Hi, who are you looking for?
I'm here to see Barrister Raymond.
Is he expecting you? Who are you?
Tell him that Chifokenwa's secretary is here to see him.
I see.
Who's that?
Some girl, she said she's looking for you. I mean, she said she's some chief secretary, something like that.
She focused my secretary. She called earlier. I told her I wasn't going to see her this weekend. That I'll see her on Monday. So what is she doing here?
I don't know. Maybe you just find out.
Hello, Barrister. I called you earlier. This is Stella Obi.
I told you that I can only see you on Monday. What are you doing here and how did you even locate my house?
You're very funny. I was the only person Chief trusted in his office. What makes you think I don't have all your details?
I see. What do you want?
I need us to sit and talk.
See, my fiancé is around. He's not going to be comfortable seeing us talk here.
Then let's get out and talk.
Listen to me. I am trying to be a gentleman here. I am trying to comport myself the much I can. I've told you, I like spending time with my loved ones on weekends. I don't entertain any visitor. And I've told you before. I will see you on Monday. Have a wonderful day.
I need access to Chief's will.
What did you say?
You heard me correctly. I need access to Chief's will.
What makes you think I'll grant you access to Chief's will?
I need to know the content. I've served him all my life. I need to know what I stand to gain in the will.
I need you to leave my house this minute. And if you don't leave my house this minute, I'm going to call the police. Get out. Get out.
Is this it?
Yes, this is it.
I also saw a note.
Look, we don't have time. Let's go.
This madman won't come out again.
So some girl came to your house and you want me to let it slide just like that?
Baby, come on. I've already explained to you. I don't even know this girl. Even though I've heard about her from Chief, I don't know her.
Oh, you want me to believe that? No, go on. Go on.
Fine. Baby, she wants me to do something illegal.
What is that?
She wants me to grant access to Chief Okenwa's well.
Why? Why would she want that?
I don't know. She was saying she wanted to know if Chief included her in the will. I can't do that.
Is she family?
She's not. That's the point.
Oh my God. Like, is she crazy? I mean, she's not family and she wants to be included in the will. How is that possible?
Beats my imagination. I just told her to go. I called the police, so she left.
You
See,
did
baby,
well.
do not allow this, disrupt this. Come on. Stop. Fine. Come here. What you want is, this is temptation. You want them to just come and distract the wonderful moment we were having. You know what?
What?
I kept something for you.
Okay.
In the room.
Really? What could this?
You lie.
What could this notify? Just keep in the room for me.
Come here, you.
Take it easy. Oh my God. Oh baby, I can't wait.
Come here.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
You don't know who you're dealing with. Come on. Oh, fuck you up. Oh, fuck you guys up.
Shut up! Nonsense.
are you doing here? I need your ring. We are behind this. Tell them what to do to neutralize my power so as to bring me here. Yes, I did. Now I will not repeat this. I need your ring. Traitor! I've always known you would betray us. I told Father about you, but you wouldn't listen. Oh, you traitor! For the last time, I want your ring. But I don't have it. You know that I know you have it. What are you trying to do? Okay. What are you trying to do? What? Ah! Ah! Get rid of him.
Yes, boss.
Here.
Hold on. You've got blood on your hands. What's going on?
Look, it doesn't matter. The ring is here now. Let's go.
Who are you people? How did you get access to my house? Who are you people?
Barrister Raymond. We need to have that talk now.
You. I'm calling the police right away.
Make I see your cover. You deaf. I know they like to talk 2 times. If I talk 2 times, body they wake me. Body they pepper me.
You deaf. Give her your phone. This guy will chop human being. Let's say this life where you get, you know like her. Give her the phone.
Good boy.
What do you want?
Sit.
I am not sitting. I rather stand.
Sit.
I said I am not sitting. What do you want?
Waiting to even play for yourself. Oh boy. You do any of you mad? You won't call it.
I don't tell you before, say body they pepper me. Show here.
Where's the will?
It's somewhere safe.
Which place?
Somewhere very safe.
I need access to the will.
It is impossible. The will can only be read after Chief's burial.
I don't care. I need to know the content of the will.
Like I said, it is impossible. You're wasting your time. Just relax.
Where's you? Now.
What is it now? Why are you doing this?
You're here now, don't talk. What I'm going to shoot you. I'm going to
What is the meaning of this now? What is this? What is this? What is this now? Why are you taking out? 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 Why are you taking out?
Move.
Listen, these boys were just released from the prison. They have been at the prison for 10 years. They never had sex. Imagine what they would do to your lovely girlfriend.
If they lay hands on her, you rot in there. You rot in there.
Give me what I want and let me live in peace.
You are dreaming. Chief trusted me when he was alive. He trusted me with his life. What makes you think I'm going to betray a man who trusted me because he's dead? You are dreaming. I am not giving you what you want.
Tega.
What is it, baby? I want
plug.
What is it plugging now? What is it? Stop it! Stop that!
Why am I not hearing her voice again?
I'm asking you, why am I not hearing her voice again? What has he done to her? What did you do to her? You will go to jail! All of you! You will go to jail!
Is she still alive?
Mama, she dey rest. Now only me don't do, but my he never ever enter. She don't go collect anything. See, I don't knock out her wig. I knock her body dey pepper me, mama.
You will all go to jail. You will all go to jail.
If you no comport yourself, I go buy this your shankens and there is nothing anybody go do about her. You dey stubborn. Body dey pepper me.
Why are you unnecessarily being stubborn? You want to lose the love of your life and eventually lose your life because you don't want to betray Chief?
Can I ask you something? You said you were the only one Chief trusted in his office when he was alive.
Yes.
How is that possible? How?
What do you mean, how?
How can a sane man trust a woman like you? You don't look trustworthy to me. You are a pathetic, frustrated little witch. It's obvious you deceived Chief. There is every probability you charmed him. You are a devil!
Mama, why now? Why you do like this? You know say we just dey comot from Sanko. You won't carry us go back Sanko. Neighbors they fit hear us.
Let me answer your question. I sacrificed a lot to be loyal to Chief. I was loyal because I wanted to marry his son. He assured me I was going to marry his son. He promised me. As a matter of fact, my bride price was paid. But he never informed his son about me. His son came back to the country with another woman. My mother-in-law was supposed to stand by me. No, she betrayed me. I used to be an angel. But do you know what I found out? Being an angel doesn't pay. They turned me into this beast you seen today. So shut the fuck up and tell me what the will is now! Listen, I'll be back. If you do anything stupid, I'll kill you and I'll kill her. Take her, come with me. Hello.
Hi. I'm Barrister Raymond's secretary. He asked me to bring some documents home. Sorry, who are you?
I'm his younger sister. Oh, you're the secretary he always talks about.
Oh, he does?
Yes. You know, the way he talks about you makes me want to ask, are you sleeping with my brother?
No, hell no. He's my boss. I can't sleep with my boss. I'm sorry, is he inside?
No, he went to the village to see our mother. But he'll be back tomorrow. I can help you keep the document for him.
No. I will see him on Monday in the office. No.
Okay then, have a wonderful day.
Who was that? Who was that?
Your secretary.
I guess you discharged her. Those documents she brought are very important.
What I want from you is also very important.
I can't give you what you want. I can't. Are you deaf? I can't give you what you want. People have reasons they hire me. They have reasons they entrust me with their will and secrets. I cannot betray Chief. I can't. No matter what you do. You are just wasting your time.
Hello.
Mama, what did happen now? Take I don't do. Me never do. I dey hot inside.
You see this one right here? It's more dangerous than this one. He raped an entire family.
Including grandma. I raped grandma join.
So give me what I want. I will not let him touch her.
Baby, please, I'm begging you. Please, give them what they want. I cannot stand this, babe. I will die. I'm begging you, baby. Please.
I'm sorry. I can't. I can't do that. I can't betray Chief. Please, you need to understand, baby. I can't do that, please.
You never loved me. You never loved me, so you've been deceiving me all this while.
No, baby, no.
You never loved me.
No, baby, I deeply love you. You know that.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me and you can't give up your stupid policy. You want them to rape me again?
You need to understand.
See, just... Okay.
What's up for there?
I know a place where he hid the documents inside.
Interesting.
Like it, baby.
Tiga,
Mama, I'll do your side.
go with her. Both of you.
Why are you doing this?
I hate you. I hate you with passion. Come on.
Oh.
I told you, you will lose everything.
At least I still have my integrity. I still have that intact. Unlike you, your own has decayed. You've lost your own. Chief Okioma will be so ashamed of you wherever he is now.
Listen, immediately I get what I want, I'll kill you.
I am not scared anymore. It will gladden my heart to be the person that will send you to jail.
We shall see.
You! Where are you hiding those documents? They were supposed to be there. You told me you hid everything in the room.
Well, I lied to you, baby. The same way you lied to me. I know who you are. But I'm way smarter than you are. Way smarter. I know you were sent here by my greatest enemy, Don Morris, to retrieve some information and documents needed to send the son to jail. I know. You are shocked. I am smart, right? You know, when you walked into my office, and you were looking so attractive, so sexy. And then I was so horny, I needed a company, I needed a girl. So you came in at the right time. But there was something odd about you. There was something I wasn't really comfortable about. That was why I did all the tests on you, HIV, hepatitis B. When I found out who you really are, do you know what I did? I had to take away all the documents in this house because of you. You were never my fiancé. If you are actually the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with, you would not suggest I compromise my policy and betray my clients.
You are very stupid and selfish. That boy you want to send to jail is my only brother. I should have poisoned you when I had the chance.
Sorry, baby. Sorry. You didn't.
Hey, listen. I am not interested in your personal brouhaha. Give me the fucking will and stop wasting my time. Now!
Well, I am not giving you the fucking will. You are wasting your time.
Well, since I can't have it...
Hold it here! Drop your weapons and lie down. I repeat. Now, or I blow off your head. Drop your weapons and lie down. Now, all of you.
Officer, arrest her. She's one of them.
He's lying.
Don't worry. When we get to the station, you explain better. Go there and lie down.
So tell me, how did you know? How did you know I was in trouble?
Brother, do you know that that lady is a bastard liar? Could you believe she told me she was your sister?
And she didn't know she was talking to my only sister.
Well, that was when I knew something was wrong, and I had to go to the police station and have it reported. By the way, why did you allow them to take Destiny? What happened?
Cindy. Destiny is a spy sent to retrieve some document from me and kill me.
Jesus! But that is insane. How did you know?
Hello, Daddy. I am fine, thank you. Everything is going fine. Daddy, he has given me his spare keys. And I think I have completely gained his trust at the moment. No, he's not at home at the moment. I think he's in the office. I won't let you down, Dad. I will ensure I pick up all the documents and kill him. That fool thinks he can send my only brother to jail. Hell no, it's not happening. Not on this life that will happen. Not when I'm here. Okay.
So that was how I knew.
And you didn't arrest her?
Well, I wanted to arrest her immediately, but then, on a second thought, I decided to give her the surprise of her life. I wanted to arrest her on her birthday, which is coming up tomorrow, but God had other plans for her.
So this girl has been a wolf in sheep's clothing. Well, thank God this up, brother. You see what I've been telling you, be careful with women. Now you look at what is happening.
I'm single. I'll keep searching. Let's just say your brother is so lucky with women. Don't worry, one day I'll get lucky. Come and give me something to eat. I am so famished. So famished.
In darkened ages, that near pairs its toes. As another cadaver is concerned 6 feet down its hole. We gravely offer a salute to those about to rot. As from our mouths, the melody is bled in a symphony scripted in red. Like the rats by the piper we are led to join us in this song for the dead. Throw the rings into those graves. Bury the rings. It's time. 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 7 seconds is gone. Exhume the graves. Their power lies in these three virgins. They were buried alive. And they stayed 7 hours, 7 minutes, and 7 seconds in the grave before they died. Their bodies will be thrown into the forest of the virgins, where they will rest. It is over. You are free. You can go now.
Who is that?
Hey, listen, it's over.
Serious?
It's over. We are free. We are free.
Are you serious?
Yes, we did it. It's over. It's over.
Oh my goodness.
It's over.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Baby? What is it? What now? What is it? Eh? Baby? Baby? Baby, talk to me now. Talk to me. What is it now? What is it? Baby, what now? Baby, what? Hey! What now? Talk to me. Baby? 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 Hey! Ah! Baby, no! Baby, please! Baby, please! No! Baby. Baby, don't leave me. You are the only one that I have. Remember what we've been through. Please, baby. I know you can fight this. I believe you can fight this. And I know you can hear me. Baby, if anything happens to you, I swear I will kill myself. Please don't leave me. Please, I know you can hear me, please.
The stubborn fly is about to go down the grave with a curse. It is time. 7 days, 7 hours, 7 minutes. It's up. It's time to unleash the dragon. Blood for blood. Let's go. This is not true. It's not possible.
Mystic falls that shall retain over the blood and over the drain. The flesh shall drain, the nerve shall quake, the wounds renew, and every drop cry blood for blood.
Life is inflation. Death is easy. Death is contagious. Death with fear. We die millions after billions of death.
Mystic falls that shall retain over the blood and over the drain. The flesh shall drain, the nerve shall quake, the wounds renew, and every drop cry blood for blood. Mystic falls that shall retain over the blood and over the drain. The flesh shall drain, the nerve shall quake, the wounds shall renew, and every drop cry blood for blood. Baby. 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 Doctor! Doctor! It's true, okay? It's true. You'll be fine. Be strong. Be strong. You'll be fine.
Madam,
Yes, Doctor.
we keep an eye on him, okay? This is the right time for you to pray hard. With God, all things are possible, so don't panic, all right? So we keep on checking on him time to time, okay? Excuse me.
Baby, I would do anything to make sure I save you. I would do anything. Just be calm, okay? I am coming.
You may be strong, be fearful, but don't forget this life that you're living.
Command you, die by fire, die by fire, amen. Die by fire. Amen. Because greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. Yes. Oh Lord, my God, Jehovah Nissi, Jehovah Shammah, Jehovah Sikenu, Jehovah Elohim. You said in your word that I shall declare a thing, and you shall come to pass. I declare healing. I declare healing. I declare healing. It's not the most Lord, I don't get to know the situation. I don't get to know where they are. I don't get to know where they are operating from. But one thing is certain, that greater is He that is in me than he that is in the world. Therefore, I declare out in the name of Jesus Christ. Out in the name of Jesus Christ. Out in the name of Jesus Christ. Oh, you spirit of death, I come against you. Be destroyed by fire. Be destroyed by fire. Be destroyed by fire. Be destroyed by fire. Oh, you dead. Be destroyed by fire. 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 In the name of Jesus Christ. From your foundation, I command fire. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. From north, I command fire. From south, I command fire. From east, I command fire. From west, I command fire. In the name of Jesus Christ. Be destroyed by fire. 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 Jesus.
Lizzy from that everything. Over the blood and over the drain. The flesh shall pray, the nerve shall pray, the wound will renew, and every drop I blow.
I command you to stop in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the living God that I serve. Yes, Lord. Children of God, please forgive him. Yes. Forgive him. He never wanted to join the cult. He's now a believer. Remember, the Bible says, he that is in Christ Jesus is a new creature. Behold, all things have passed away, and now everything has become new. Forgive. Remember, forgiveness is a virtue. Please, forgive him. I command you to go and rest in peace in the name of Jesus Christ. You have no part in his life. You have no part in his family. Oh, and come back no more in the name of Jesus. Amen. Thank you, Ancient of Days. Thank you, the great I am. Papa, Imela, Chimweru, Bioma, Imela, Isi Yikendo, Imela, Imela, Vano, Imela, Chimweru, Bioma, Imela, Amor, Imela, Imela. Mano toye imela, imwe rubioma, imela, mano toye imela, imwe rubioma, imela.
Are you Mr. Marcus Ogu?
Yes, please.
You are under arrest for the murder of one Mr. Kevin Anosike. You are advised to remain silent. Whatever thing you say or do can be used as an evidence in the court of law.
Baby, what is it? What is going on here? Sir. Why are you arresting him?
It's all right. It's okay. Just let me go with him. It's fine.
What is this now?
don't know anything about her. She was a good girl. She was just a victim of circumstance.
She was greedy and selfish.
Anybody in her shoes would have done the same. Please, talk to Chekube. I know he will not listen to me. Let them release her. Please.
Mama, her case is with the police. They will handle it.
Just look at me. You and Chekube will soon travel back. I'll be left alone in this house. She is my friend. The only one who understands me. She keeps me company.
Mama, I understand how you feel.
Don't.
Even if she's released, which is most unlikely, she can't stay with us anymore. And for the records, I will not be going back with Chekube.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. So whatsoever you need, just tell me. Anything at all, I am ready to do it for you. I am here to stay with you, Mama. Anything. So, let me step out to get something to make for you. I guess this is the first time I'm seeing you smiling like this. Oh, you look so beautiful. You are stuck with me. Don't miss me. I'll be back, okay?
Son, I forgive you for abandoning me and your mother for this long. It has not been easy. But because of the kind of person your mother is, we have been able to pull through to this extent. I want you to take good care of your mother. I want her to meet me in the life after, still strong and ever beautiful. In the company, there was virtually nothing I could do without Stella. And that is why I groomed her to be your business partner and wife. I have already paid her bride price. If you wish, take her as your wife. She is a good woman. She will form a good team to make our company a global phenomenon. Everything I have ever owned belongs to you, Chekube Okenwa Williams. Some people will come and claim that they made me. Do not allow them. Fight them. I know you're a strong man. I am the one that rather made them. You have the original documents of all the houses, the cars, and companies, all in your name. Make sure you take good care of your mother and build a big family with Stella. My brothers will want to come close when I am gone. I will not want to tell you what to do with them. I leave you with your discretion. But know it, that they never liked us. They hated my success and did everything possible to bring me down. It is left for you to either forgive them or show them the way out. I love you, son. We will meet to part no more.
Okay. So, you've heard from the horse's mouth. I've done what I was instructed. Like I told you, he made it clear to me that the will can only be read after the burial. Thank God the burial was successful. And he also instructed me to hand over this to you. Inside here, you find all the documents as regards your father's property. Once again, I accept my heartfelt condolences. I will be on my way now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Don't forget that action is life. The spiritual is the case of action. If you do, you go die. If you not do, you go die one day. If you do, you go die. If you not do, you go die one day. If you overdo, you go die. If you not do, you go die one day. We go die. We 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 go die one day.